Alright, hello YouTube, this is Ahi. So this week I'm going to talk to you about this Pro Tools Expert video where they interviewed the Light Lead company. So if you want to see the interview, just click on this box here. Anyway, me being me, I was really disappointed in how the sound examples sounded. So here's a short excerpt of the copper and the light lead. To me, those sound exactly the same. So what I'm going to do, so these are exactly the same takes from the video. I haven't tampered with them in any way. So let's take Ozone, match EQ. Let's capture both of them. All right, starting capture of the copper. All right, that is the copper. Then let's check. Alright, that is the light lead. So let's pause this. So let's use the match feature. So let's put the amount to 100, use the light lead as the reference, and then let's match it to the copper. And there is literally almost no difference in this curve. This curve comes from some sort of video codec thingy, and the low end doesn't really matter because usually with guitars I do something like this. So high pass at 100 Hz, 24 dB, so the difference is gone there. And this difference is 2 dB, and that difference can come just from playing. And it actually doesn't get anything more except maybe, just a few dB of volume, but that didn't translate at least through the microphone. It might translate in the room, but it did not translate. So if you actually look at this, the copper wire actually gives you a better match, so it gives you a bit more mids. And so you can see this difference comes from something that's not audio. So let's do the low pass. Alright, so the difference is gone now. So as we can see, it has that sort of low pass filter in the video. Anyway, so let's try the high gain, because there the difference is actually that he played very different stuff. So if we listen to this, so let's try to let's skip the beginning because it's just some chords that he played, and he didn't play the same thing. Alright, that is the copper distortion. And let's take it from here. And that is the light distortion. Alright. So let's match those two. So reference. Again, no fucking difference. This bump could be just a note that just, resonated from a chord that he played. But in general, there is no difference. So anyway, if you still want to support the company, please buy their shit. But I'm calling Snake Oil. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and make good music.